Ayan, good morning everyone, and here comes KTV Pilipinas again, mga kababayan. Nandito tayo sa Manila Police District or MPD para tunghayan po natin itong gaganaping anibersaryo, mga kababayan. Dito yan sa may UN Avenue. So standby kayo dyan, mga kababayan ko, no? At paratingan ng ating Yorme Isko Moreno. Dami ng mga kapulisan dito. Ayan, no? Oh, shout out sir. Ayan, no? Shout out dali. Pagirigan. Ayun, no? Happy anniversary. Nandito na rin ang mga taga-MPI, likewise ng ating mga co-vloggers. TLC, dito, si Kuya Masye, mga kababayan. Asan na si Kalbo? Kalbo.
Sana yung ogag na yun.
Nawala si Kalbo, mga kababayan ko. Ayan, mga shooter. Dito na rin. Malapit na tayo. Ay, mga sikat na shooter, dito daw. Sumer. Shoutout sa mga sumer natin sa media.
Hindi namin nakunan yung dumaan na nakamotor pa sa mga.
Oo nga, dumaan bigla.
Ganun-ganun po yun.
Hindi pa nahuli yun sa dulo? Nahuli yun.
Gundo.
Magagalit. Ito yung ay sa Luneta. Inisip ko ito yun.
Ano yun?
Makakasama kayo nun.
Nice one.
Muli bigyan po natin isang masigawang palakpakan ng Alcalde ng Luzon ng Maynila, Honorable Francisco Escomo ng Donoboso.
Dong? Ayun, tayo mo siya, no? Dong! Nasabi ko eh.
Kasi malapit na.
Good morning.
Usog muna kayo, usog muna, usog muna.
Picture po. Pwedeng God first buys.
Dito lang. Sige lang.
Thank you po.
Senior officers to proceed at Manila Police District Headquarters for the guest book signing for guest of honor and speaker and the inauguration of Manila's finest museum.
Inauguration pala ng museum.
Flower bearers, pakikuha na po muli ang inyong mga flowers. Flower bearers. Check mic test. calling the attention of four usherettes assigned for the red lane ceremony. Four usherettes assigned at the red lane ceremony. Kindly proceed at the ceremonial area right now. Usherette Agustin. Usherette po, Usherette, kindly proceed dun sa for your honors entrance. Team leader Usherette ma'am, team leader Usherette ma'am. Usherette for SILG. Usherette SILG, kindly proceed at the for your honor entrance right now.
Ulit.
Get this right.
Ako to? Iba pa yung caption ko. Ako nasa caption na.
Ang gulo.
Once again, we would like to request the protocol officers. To please accompany their VIPs here at the ceremonial area for the red lane ceremony. We would like to request the city mayor, the vice mayor, and other VIPs to please proceed at the Regional Police Office. Once again, the city mayor of Manila, the vice mayor, together with the regional director of the National Capital Regional Police Office, with other VIPs, proceeding at the ceremonial area for the red lane ceremony. In a short while, we will be witnessing the entrance of our guest of honor and speaker, the Undersecretary of the Peace and Order. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, good morning. We would like to request our friends from the media to kindly proceed at the respective media box in front of the Manila pictures in preparation for our ceremony. Once again, we would like to request our friends from the media to please proceed at the respective media box for the red play ceremony. Thank you very much.
Sir Bambi, punta natin first.
Ano ba patulog?
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, Honorable Ms. Dolores Sanares, Honor Secretary for Peace and Order. We would like to request Undersecretary Honorable Sanares, together with the City Mayor of Manila, the District Director, the Regional Director of the National Capital Region Police Office, together with the City Mayor, to please proceed at the ceremonial area for the red lighting ceremony. Isang magandang umaga sa ating lahat. Sa araw na ito, Lord, sa mga bayani naghandog ng kanilang buhay para sa
Pangungulahan ng pag-alay ng bulaklak ng kalihim ni Department of Interior and Local Government, Kamarawan, Juanito Victor Junior Siribulo, sa katauhan ng kaniyang ginawa, Honorable Nestor P. Sanares, Undersecretary for Peace and Order. dalawang pag-aalay mula sa Regional Director ng National Capital Region Police Office. Police
Pag-aalay mula sa alkalde ng lungsod ng Maynila, Kagalang-galang Francisco Escobar Camagoso.
mag-aalay po tayo ng isang minutong katahimikan para sa mga bayan.
we would like to address our guests and senior officers to please proceed to the Manila Police District Headquarters for the guest book signing of our guest of honor and speaker and the inauguration of Manila's finest museum. Joining our guest of honor and speaker is the City Mayor of Manila, the Vice Mayor and Congressman Ernix Jalicia, together with the Regional Director of the National Capital Region, the District Director of Manila Police District, and the other officers.
Talaga pipigil pa talaga siya.
Happening now is the guest book signing of our guest of honor and speaker, Honorable Nestor Sanares, the Undersecretary of the Peace and Order. Thank you very much, sir. Once again, a round of applause for our honoree, the Undersecretary, Honorable Nestor P. Sanares. At this point, ladies and gentlemen, we will now proceed to the inauguration of the Museum of Manila's Finest. Starting off with the ceremonial lighting. Manila City Hall Band are in place already. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. We are gathered here today for the inauguration of the Museum of Manila's Finest. This is the result of the dedicated efforts of various units and offices within the Manila Police District, working tirelessly to preserve the country's capital-rich police history. Today, we celebrate the significant milestone as we proudly open the Manila's Finest Museum to the public, inviting all to explore and learn from the stories that have shaped our nation. At this juncture, we request our Honorable Nestor Sanares to open the lights of our new Manila's Finest Museum. And also with him is the City Mayor, the Vice Mayor, the Congressman, and the Regional Director, and so with the District Director of the Manila Police District. At the count of 3, Honorable Sanares. 3, 2, 1. Ladies and gentlemen, the new Museum of Manila's Finest. National Security Administration General Staff Corps, Philippine Army, the Manila's Finest Director and Curator for the tour of the museum. From honoring our past, we now move forward in preserving our legacy. As part of 125th founding anniversary, we now open the Museum of the Manila's Finest. For the ceremonial walkthrough, we would like to request everyone to please refrain from using flash photography. Once again, we would like to request everyone from using flash photography. The high intensity light can damage the delicate picture. ensure that all mobile phones are into silent mode. Take pride in our history and keep this museum in for the next generation of millennials. We will now proceed with a tour of the Museum of Manila's Finest as we walk through the stories, artifacts, and milestones that continue to define the proud service of Manila Police District. Happening now, ladies and gentlemen, is the official tour of the museum together with the director and curator of the Museum of Manila's Finest, Dr. Lieutenant Colonel Dordelisa Vega Senor. How about a round of applause, ladies and gentlemen? Finally, the Museum of Manila's Finest is now open. Once again, we would like to request everyone from using flash photography. After the tour of museum, we will be witnessing the signing of the Deed of the Nation at the lobby stage.
napansin mo kanina. We're doing the replay, and in fact, on a day-to-day, you'll see it on a normal day, that there is some words within that word. Go spread the word. Tell the passers-by that in this little word, many knew how to live. Yan ang isang bagay na lagi nasa puso at isipan ng Manila Police District o mas tinalang Manila's Finest, or the others would call it Western. To our DILGs, Yusek Nestor Sanares, Sir, representing our Secretary of Department of Interior and Local Government, Secretary John B. Puwede. To General Abilin, Police Major General Abilin, Regional Director, Chief NCRPO, to other generals representing our neighboring district in Metro Manila, to Vice Mayor Chief, Romeo David, Regional Director NAPOLCO, to the business community organization, to our former members, officers of the Manila Police District, may I ask you hindi kong Maynila natin. Sa atin pong lahat na mga nabati na kanina ni General Agni Abad, ating Director sa Manila Police District Commander, Musala, at mga the men and women, uniform and non-uniform personnel of the Manila Police District. Good morning. Congratulations sa inyong lahat. Ako'y nalulugod na nabigyan ng pagkakataon ng taong bayan maging bahagi ng makasaysayang araw na ito. 125 Puwito of a small force in the city of Manila became the playbook of the entire country's peace and order situation in a civilian, mostly in nature, the Manila Police District. Maraming salamat sa ating mga ninuno. Dahil sa kanila, meron tayong malaking, epektibong organisasyon all over the country and here in Manila. In fact, isa sa mga ancestor, mga founding fathers, mga lumang kagapagkaguyod ng pamunuan ng pagpapanatag sa pamumuhay sa lungsod ng Maynila. Si General Quintos, nandiyan po yung kanyang apo na ating city administrator, Attorney Walter Quintos. Yung nakita niyo mga les kong tisoy nung araw. Ayun, tisoy pa rin ngayon. Ayan po, si Attorney Walter Quintos, my fellow member in the City Council, my batchmate, we are batchmate, kung anong edad ko sa pagkugobyerno, o yan na rin ang edad niya sa pagkugobyerno. Now, the third generation of public servant is Attorney Councilor Attorney Lady Quintos. Ako na sa tulog yan. Sila po, sampo, nila Pitbull, General Gulao, mga antigong pulis natin, mga dito. At sa inyo lahat, pinagpapapuri ko ang kagalingan ng ating District Director. And on behalf of the people of Manila, I would like to thank General Abad, the officers of their respective precincts and PCPs, and those who are patrolling in the streets, and the officers behind General Abad. They are very successful making it possible the criminal activities to be lessened in the city of Manila. In the third quarter and fourth quarter of this last year, when I assumed office, I'm happy and grateful again on behalf of the people of Manila. We are very grateful to the leadership of General Abad dahil sa -13. It fell -13 our crime rates or crime incident in the city of Manila. For the year 2025, it netted at 10%, or still double digit. Now, our crime efficiency solution approach ng inyong general at 10 ng mga opisyalis, mapababae, mapalalaki, na may mga balbo sa dibdib na Pulis Maynila, we rose to 9%. Nangyari ba sa mga ating mga bisita, madalit salita, pag ginawa mo ang krimen sa Maynila, may kalalagyan ka. We will go after you. We will go every single cent, whatever is available in our legal resources to apprehend and you to pay the price of your crime, not under our hands, but before the office of the judge and the prosecutor. Our job, kalawitin yung mga Colombians. And with that policy, ay unti-unti po kinakabahan na o dinadaga yung mga kriminal na nag-iisip na gawin sa lungsod ng Maynila. You may be hearing this, those people, baka subukin nyo kami, pwede naman. Call naman ang Manila Police District. But rest assured, kung di namin kinasakotin ng agaran, yung pansamantalang ligayang iningingiti ninyo at niningising-ising ninyo na naisahan nyo kami sa lungsod ng Manila, mauubos lahat ang pinakinabangan nyo sapagkat mas maraming pera ang gobyerno para gastahin at kayo'y habulin, hanapin ngayon, bukas, sa 1 linggo, sa 1 buwan, kahit ilang taon pa yan, basta ginawa mo sa Manila, mahuhuyo ka dito sa amin. And that is the policy of your city government. No matter what. No matter what, we will go after it. It is not a perfect organization, the same thing with the local government of Manila. But we always do our best, every single day. Because we are very grateful. Arnie and I, the Manila Police District, we're very grateful to the people. Like Congressman Ernest Junicio, District 1, Tondo, Manila. To be given a chance to be of service to the people. As like what others said, or the saying goes, many are called, but few are chosen. So that's why we take this opportunity to value it and excel from it. And I saw it with Arnie Abad as our MPD Director. Congratulations, Arnie. Then again, i-start na ako kasi may donation na naman kay Arnie. Yung ating mga NMAX, yung ating mga patrol, may madidelay siya po kung ngayon alas 9:30 ng umaga. 20 bagong NMAX na naman sa MPD. Mas yung pitong 11, hindi ba si Villanueva? Ayan, sila ang tatamasa ng 20 bagong NMAX. Kaya pumanatag kayo to the private sector. Every single cent na itinulong ninyo sa pamahalaan ng Luzon, we'll make use of it. Ang balik ay maglilingkod kami ng mainam, masinop at efficiente. So muli, I'm not asking too much. Maaari ba tayo tumayong lahat? And offer a minute of prayer para sa mga kaluluwa na magiging natin wala na sa mundong ibabaw, natural man o dala ng serbisyo. Ipanalangin natin ang kanilang kaluluwa sa Panginoon. 1 minute prayer. Thank you. You may now sit. Again, to DILG Secretary Samares, rest assured, with the direction, policy of the national government with regard to peace and order situation under the leadership of Secretary John Vic Remulla, your Manila Police District, your city government of Manila, as the nation's capital, we will continue to align and our action will be in sync with the national goal. Kaya pumanatag po kayo sa maliit naming kaparanan. Kami po'y laging makikibahagi sa layunin ng ating nasyonal na pamahalaan. Sa inyo po, mga anak rito, magsipag-ingat kayo. Congratulations again. Walang hanggang pasasalamat on behalf of the people of Manila for keeping our children, family, our house, community, and institutions safe. Good luck at pagpalain nawa kayo ng buong may kapal. Manila, God first. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Honorable Francis